Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know the deal, make sure you're subscribed. Also go ahead and hit that bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know me and fiance, we have a weekly date night. So I chose to record my look. So anyway, here I am priming my lids. I used the Urban Decay primer potion and then I followed it with the Maybelline 24-hour tattoo. This is kind of old and dry, but you know, I'm making use of what I have. I'm going in with a brush, packing it on there, blending it out as much as possible. But I basically did this so that the shadow that you're gonna see me apply, so that it'll pop. All right, so once I'm all done with applying that base, I'm gonna go into my Master Palette by Mario by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna go into that Isabel using a fluffy brush to kind of blend out that harsh line that I created from my blue base. So you see I'm just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, blending that out, creating a little bit of a transition color. Most times I would do this step before doing the actual lid color, but since I was going in with a cream base, I did that before going in with this transition. So that's Isabel. It's a little bit, maybe a shade or two darker, a little bit more red than my skin tone. It's my go-to transition color when I'm doing any eye makeup look. So now I'm going in for my lid color. This is an old single color from NARS. Look at that, look how pretty it is. It's got some sparkle flecks in it, really pigmented. Obviously, I probably really didn't even need that base, but the color just pops on top of that blue base. So I'm just packing it on there. Not worried about blending just yet. I'm just making sure that the color is on there, getting close to my lash line, making sure that there are no gaps. I think I was listening to some reggae when I did this, some old school reggae, so I was having a little vibe. All right, so now we're gonna go into the Modern Renaissance palette, again by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Deepen that crease. I'm using a more dirtier or more stiff brush. Most of these brushes, if you want me to share the brushes that I'm using, leave a comment down below, but I'm using a collection of brushes that I got when I was in Europe. I think it's called Diva. So after I've done some blending, I'm going back with that blue just to make sure that the color still pops. Bring it back to the forefront. Going into those brows. You know, me and my brows are a struggle. I don't really have much, but I work with what I have. And so I'm just outlining. And again, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Dip Powder, I believe. All right, so now I'm lining my lid. I love doing a winged dark line. My brush was a little bit dirty, so it wasn't cooperating. I had some dried liner on there, so that's why I was having a little trouble there. But anyway, I went in and highlighted my tear ducts. This was kind of bright. I wouldn't normally go for a color like this in my tear duct, but I just wanted something to open my eye. So I usually do like a rose gold kind of tone, but I went for something different to tighten up that wing. This is why I don't put foundation on before doing my eye makeup. So for the real star of the show, my lashes by Natasha Hastings Beauty in the 400 Meter Diva collection. These are, I believe, Hasty Hastings. My lashes are 100% mink. They are cruelty-free. With proper care, you can wear them up to 25 times. Don't know how many times I've worn this particular pair, but based on the glue that was on the band, I probably wore these at least 8 or 9 times already, maybe even more. Leave a comment down below if you want me to do a video on how to take care of these lashes so that, you know, you can get those 25 wears like I mentioned. And if you don't know, this Friday we're having a Black Friday sale. Make sure you're on the lookout for that. Blend the lashes in with a little bit of mascara on my natural lashes. I actually normally do this step before applying the lashes, but probably got distracted by something. So I went in and lined my waterline with this pink. You guys know I love pink, so I thought this would be a cute pop of color for the look. Get in there, and here's the final look. If you want me to do a full video on this, my foundation routine, I can do that, but I didn't do anything new. Look at those lashes. Look at how they're popping. Go ahead and head over to natashahastings.com to check out the full collection and maybe even buy yourself a pair. Anyway, as usual, hope you enjoyed. Leave me some comments down below and I'll catch you next time.